Swinging hook design allows for maximum bait action and easy weedless rigging. Vivid, oversized 3D eyes present a prominent target for gamefish. Molded baitkeeper prevents baits from sliding down hook shank. Built with heavy-duty 3/0 VMC wide gap hooks. Size to pair perfectly with popular MinnowZ, DieZel MinnowZ, and PaddlerZ soft plastics for a variety of fresh and saltwater gamefish. Warning: cancer and reproductive harm as per California Proposition 65 warnings. Top reviews from the United States. Cool product. These are fantastic. Easy to fish around grass and oyster beds without snags. Gets lifelike action out of soft plastics. Only downside is it takes a little bit of effort to rig the first few times.